welcome to my $3.2 million home. You guys, should I just be doing real estate videos? Because the things that are available in Los Angeles are blowing my mind. I am at another one of my friend Trisha's staged homes. She's Popup Home, and the builder, I'm putting her name on the screen because I don't think I can pronounce it. I'm about to shoot in this insane house. I'm gonna bring you along for the day because it's absolutely insane, and of course you're gonna get a house tour, and it's not an empty house tour. It's furnished in the dopest vintage furniture you've probably ever seen. I'm drooling. Wow, I'm drooling. Look at the animal in the blind. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Good?
Yeah. Saved.
So can you turn, or does it matter?
No, that's good. And then do one of me doing this. Do I look like the lady in the house? I'm faking. I wish this was my house. First of all, the centerpiece of the house is obviously the living room. You know, I'm like flabbergasted. The sofa, the freaking kitchen, this open floor plan is like so my vibe. I cannot wait to decorate a house like this. It's mine. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. All right, so I'm about to shoot this look. This is part of my Sam Edelman collab. These shoes though, I feel like this is such a cute grown lady look, you know, maybe like a, what do they call that when you're at work and then you go somewhere after work look? Or like holiday party, or just like a dinner date. Could be a vibe. This skirt is thrifted, by the way, and we're obsessed. Oh, Monica's waiting, so we gotta go. When I take pics, I like to move around a lot because I'm trying to make it look not so posed. So if you feel like you have a hard time taking pictures, just like naturally shift your weight a little, and the photographer who's the bomb will catch your movement, and you'll look kind of effortless. These are cute. I'll sit down and I'll like cross my legs so we can get like the sheets. Yeah, we need to see. We're trying to figure out an angle where this insanely gorgeous coffee table doesn't block my shoe. So, but they always say like if it's uncomfortable, it probably looks good because this is hurting my hips so bad. What you might not see, or you might, are the thousands of beads of sweat on my nose. Okay, hip's broken.
Woman CEO, let's go.
This is my Forbes cover.
Period.
Can you go like maybe put the stool here and shoot really down on me so you can't even see the kitchen? She got ideas, y'all.
But still entire body?
Yes.
The muse.
We all work to our advantages, you know. Monica's tiny, but
look at this.
She can stand on anything. Well, a little.
Not anything.
I'm like,
Well, yeah, that's the one thing.
To balance, but that table's probably like $2,000, and I don't want to buy it. I mean, I
So it's a little bit,
but not broken.
Yeah.
So I won't be able to grab full body.
Where would you need to be? Or maybe I can pull my legs in. So these are full, it's also about the shoes.
She's getting into it.
I'm still sweating. Welcome to the Kelly Sweat Show. Just shot like 5 looks. There's construction happening on the garage, so bear with us for noise. But let's look around this place. Front doors are insane. Wow. Entryway, credenza. What? Like, can you deal? Can you deal? Wow. Into the living room. Wow. This green, unbelievable. Kitchen is over there. Favorite places. Look at this. This chair, vase, so many smalls, artwork. Look at this place. Tell me I don't need a kitchen like this. black marble. Need this camel more than anything. Little dining set. This is absolutely stunning. These rugs, oh, the rugs, my sweat tissue. Dining room. The dining room, you guys, is outrageous. This is totally stunning. I've never needed a sculpture more, so there's that. Then it gets crazy, okay? So around the bend, insane artwork. Another bend, perfect little office. Absolutely stunning. Do you see this office? Like, I'm dead. I'm dead. All the artwork. This bathroom, great tile ideas. If anyone's remodeling, she's cute. And then another guest room. Is anyone else shook? Because I'm low-key not okay. Look at this. The window above the bed is the most precious thing I've ever seen in my freaking life. Another cute credenza. This is a guest bath. Look at this wallpaper. Can you believe it? Look at this room. This guest chair. Holy crap. This room is probably one of my faves. I mean, the master is obscene, but look at this. She is beautiful. More insane artwork. This is the master. Holy, what the F? Y'all, what? Trish, babe, you killed this. You killed this. Everything in here is absolutely insane. It's so intentional, so cool. Master closet, huge. Outdoor space. I am beside myself, you guys. If I didn't tell you, this is another home staged by my friend Trish, owned by the amazing Rebecca, who killed it. This girl is just developing houses in the most insane way. So we just need a casual 3.2 mil to move on in, and we'll keep all the furniture too. I feel super blessed to have friends who can let me come experience spaces like this. It's motivational, inspirational, and it's fun to shoot in when you have to shoot at your house all the time because, you know, pandemic. So I hope you enjoyed. Follow me along for this work day. I'm gonna go dab. I'm so hot, you guys. It's actually crazy. I've changed clothes so many times. My body temperature is outrageous. But thank you so much for watching the vlog today. Hope you enjoyed this tour of this insane home. And yeah, thanks for watching. Love you, mean it. Bye.